AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude are incredibly powerful, but there's one thing none of them can do. They can't actually carry tasks out for you. Now, recently I upgraded from just using an AI chatbot to having basically a 24/7 digital assistant. And I did it using a tool called OpenClaw. So you've probably heard of OpenClaw before. So many people are talking about it, and for very good reason. In this video, I've partnered up with Hostinger to show you exactly what OpenClaw can do. And once I've explained what it can actually do, then you'll realize why so many people are talking about it. So OpenClaw might seem complicated to navigate at first, but in this video, I'm going to make it super simple for you and take you through step by step exactly how to build your own digital assistant. I'm going to set it up using Hostinger for a very secure and cost-effective virtual private server, or VPS. But first, what is OpenClaw? Because it's not just another AI you chat with. OpenClaw runs in the background while you work. It checks your emails, it tracks your Google Analytics, it organizes your calendar. You don't have to ask it to do any of that. It just handles it. And when it needs you, it flags you. And when you need it, it's right there. Now, having a digital assistant running 24/7 is huge, but it needs somewhere to live. Some people use local machines or cloud tools, but if you want something reliable, private, and always online, a VPS is the way to go. Running this on your own VPS gives you much greater control and privacy compared to third-party platforms. You're in charge of your data, while the hosting provider handles the underlying infrastructure, saving you money and saving you time with one-click deploy. So I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this. In less than 5 minutes, you're going to know exactly how to build your own digital assistant that will work for you while you sleep. Step 1 is get your VPS. So head over to Hostinger OpenClaw page, hostinger.com/MikeD. There's a link in the description below. Now this will take you directly to OpenClaw, where you can find a lot more information from what it is, key features, common use cases, etc. Now here you can choose a VPS plan that suits your needs, and I'd recommend going for at least the KVM2 plan for smooth performance. The reason I'd go for the KVM2 specifically is that it hits a really nice balance. You're getting solid performance for the price, more than enough to get started with running multiple bots or automation smoothly, and you can easily scale up later if you need more. Now during checkout, OpenClaw will already be pre-selected, so there's nothing extra you need to install. You'll also have the option to include Nexus AI credits for easier AI integration and Oxylabs credits if you want web search capabilities. Now Oxylabs credits are worth grabbing if you want OpenClaw to be able to search the web as part of its workflows. So if you want it pulling in live data or doing any kind of web research on your behalf, you'll want those credits enabled, and you can actually start with 1,000 credits for free with freedom to top up later on. Now, once you're ready, complete the purchase, and remember you can use code MikeD for 10% off. Step 2 is configure your setup. So after purchase, you'll be taken to a configuration screen, and this is where you'll get a few key details for your OpenClaw instance. An instance is just OpenClaw running on your Hostinger VPS. So when you launch it, you've created an instance, basically your own live version of OpenClaw on your server. The most important one is your OpenClaw gateway token. This is automatically generated for you. Treat it as you would any password, and make sure to copy and save it somewhere safe, as you'll need it to log in later. You can also add your WhatsApp number here if you plan to connect it, which we will also do later on in the video. If you're using Nexus AI credits, which we will be, everything is already handled for you. No need to add API keys. If you prefer, you can still add your own API keys, OpenAI, Anthropic, etc., but this is completely optional. And once you've filled everything in, click deploy, and this is a one-click deployment setup, meaning the pre-installed Doctor template handles all the configuration for you. So instead of setting anything up manually, it launches a fully working, production-ready OpenClaw instance in minutes, with an optional survey should you choose to take it. Now step 3 is access OpenClaw and set up WhatsApp. So once everything is deployed, there are 2 ways to access OpenClaw. From your VPS dashboard using the OpenClaw shortcut, remember to copy your gateway token. And side notes, you can access the server terminal from here. You can then just press OpenClaw to open a separate window, paste in your gateway token and enter OpenClaw. Or you can also access OpenClaw by accessing the Docker manager, and here you can also access your terminal here as well. You can also access your terminal here, manage your AI provider, monitor your credits and buy more if needed. Otherwise, it's the same process. Copy your gateway token and open OpenClaw and log in. One thing worth mentioning is Cody comes included with your Hostinger VPS and acts as your AI admin assistant. Instead of going through settings manually, you can just chat with it, monitor activity, optimize performance, or run server commands instantly, all without using your credits. Now, this is optional, but it's quite important also, is connecting WhatsApp. If you want to use OpenClaw on WhatsApp, go to the channel section on the dashboard, click show QR code on your phone, open WhatsApp, settings, link devices, scan the QR code. If you get an error the first time, don't worry, just refresh and try again. You may need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click relink or wait for scan to get it to pair properly. And you can manage everything through Docker Manager. View logs to monitor activity, update OpenClaw to the latest version, restart or manage your container if needed. Always keep your gateway token and any API keys private. If you lose your token, you can find it again in your project settings. For a quicker and simpler setup, the one-click deployment option is the best route. Now that's the kind of technical part over. Our OpenClaw setup is now fully up and running on the VPS. Now onto the fun part. From here, you'll want to introduce yourself, maybe give your assistant a name and start building that relationship. One important step is enabling memory, so it can learn about you over time and use that context as you build more advanced workflows. Now, I feel this is where the real fun begins, actually putting it to work. So let me show you a simple example of what this can do. Let's say you've got all your sales data stored in a Google Sheets. You can just click share, allow access, and drop the link straight into OpenClaw. And from there, it can read the data, you can understand the context, and even start suggesting what you might want to do next. For example, I could ask something like, how are my sales performing this month? Or even, what would be a realistic target based on this data? And it'll analyze everything and give me a clear answer. But where it gets really powerful is when you automate it, right? So instead of asking manually, I can tell OpenClaw to check the same spreadsheet every day, let's say 8 a.m, and notify me if April becomes a record-breaking month. So now, instead of me checking dashboards and spreadsheets, OpenClaw is doing it for me in the background. Now think of how much time you spend just checking things like sales numbers, analytics, targets. None of it is actual like hard work, but it still breaks your focus, right? OpenClaw handles all of that in the background and only surfaces the information when something actually needs your attention. And this is where hosting it on a VPS specifically makes the difference. Your laptop sleeps, your desktop gets switched off, but the VPS doesn't. OpenClaw is running at 3 a.m. It's running when you're at the gym. It's running when you're with clients. It doesn't need you there for it to be working. From a cost perspective, this is worth thinking about. Running OpenClaw on a VPS is a fraction of what you'd spend on dedicated hardware. People buy Mac Minis for this kind of setup, which sets you back over $600. The hosting of VPS gets you the same always-on functionality for significantly less. And if you want to get this set up yourself and run OpenClaw without limits, I've left a link to hosting it in the description below. You can use the code MikeD for 10% off all yearly VPS plans and get started in just a few minutes. And once it's up and running, it just takes care of things for you. And if you like this video, I've made so many more videos on essentially being more productive during your workday using AI tools. You can click on any of these cards on the screen and I'll see you over there.